I'm Jesse Bouwman, president of Hazelland Manufacturing, where we develop the Hydrospade product, developed for smaller markets. There was a big need for smaller units. Not everybody needs a big truck, as all jobs aren't big. So we developed our little trailer units and little truck units to help out the smaller contractors as well that couldn't necessarily afford the big trucks. Aarcomm has been a great support. They're known in a large part of the industry already, so I believe we started with Aarcomm in the end of 2023. The handheld remotes that we were using just weren't standing up to the environment, so we were looking for something a lot more durable, having a lot of issues with them connecting to the receivers, especially when they got wet or mud on them. And in this industry, there's lots of that. Since we've switched over to the Aarcomm, we've never had an issue with them not connecting to the receiver. Never had water in behind the buttons or anything. They're well-sealed units and very durable. The ones that we were using, you could only have so many functions on it, where the Aarcomm has many functions that we can keep adding on to. They're a quick call and they can change the programming in it to make those changes on our remotes to add in those extra functions at any time. Due to the industry we're in, there's a lot of water and mud and people drop them, and you can just pick them back up and keep on going with them. We've had customers drop them, drive over them, drop them down wells is the only time where we seem to resell one, but other than that, we have not sold one due to someone breaking one. The nice part about having Aarcomm handheld remotes is you can hold it in one hand. You can still operate your boom hose with it. You can hold onto your hose if you need to with one hand while operating it with your other hand. The support at Aarcomm has been amazing. I actually used them many years ago while working on a large hydrovac truck that we were having a wiring issue with, which was not one of our units, but picked up the phone right away. They talked us through the whole thing, how to set it up, how to diagnose it all. Since we've been using them, any questions that I have with them, they're on the phone immediately and we get it resolved instantly. We'll continue to use Aarcomm for the years to come. We've been very happy with them and have never heard any negative things about them.